Hi, hello, welcome to a new video. So I already made a few printable memo pads and I really wanted to try and make a real one. So I'm gonna do that in this video. So I'm gonna show you all the materials and the whole process of me making it. I'm gonna use Procreate for the design, but you can use any painting or designing tool or app that you like or have. So this is just what I used and what I have. So yeah. So I'm looking through the printable memo pads to see what I already created so that I don't create something too similar. Maybe I will do a flower, but just, you know, just a flower without the stem, or a bunch of flowers around and this shape here. I also like just the gingham memo pad, so I will definitely make one of those. I made a printable set with a monthly planner, to-do list, and a weekly planner, and I really like this floral one, so maybe I will create something like this, but I'm not sure because I don't want everything to be green because then I will have too much green designs, but I really like green at the moment. For the memo pads I use the square formats, 2048 with 2048 pixels, and then I adjust it in Affinity Designer. You can just create the right size right away, so you go on the plus and then you can select. So I want mine to be 75 millimeters and 75, but also it's great to add maybe a few more for the bleed, so 78 and 78 if you wanna just have the file already be the right size. Don't forget to make your colors a bit more pale than usual, so you can still write on it, so it's not too dark, but you can easily adjust the colors later. I'm using the Epson ET7750 printer for this. First I'm gonna do just a test print. I open up the memo pad design in Silhouette Studio and I resize it to 78 millimeters. Then I go to page setup and turn on the registration marks. Copy the design. And click print. And for the settings, I go to preferences and set the quality to high and click OK and print. And for the cutting lines, I select all the MEMO PAD and offset, internal offset, and apply. So it's on 2 millimeters, and then go to send, line, and select the copy paper medium. And later I put the force to 18 and passes 2 and click send. So I secured everything. You want to put some cardstock, thicker cardstock in between, because this will ruin your paper. And now I'm gonna apply a few layers of glue and let it dry, and then we're done. And I'm gonna apply the glue with an old brush, and I'm using this white glue. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I really had fun making these memo pads, and I hope that people will like them. I think they're adorable and I will definitely use them in my bullet journal. Let me know which one is your favorite. Mine is maybe the bear, but I like them all. I really wanted to make them in different colors because I like to have a different color each month, so I will make more in the future. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.